G'day, Vistage Chairs. Coach M here, otherwise known as Emma Doyle, a former high-performance tennis coach turned corporate coach. I've been coaching for 30 years, and I'm super passionate about creating coaching cultures in the workplace. Why? Because one of the biggest problems that I see is a loss of talent. Why does that happen? Because of bad managers and leaders. I still see a culture of directing and telling. You can see here on our laminated toolkit, a manager who's trying to solve everybody's problems, who does it on their own. What I do is help create coaching cultures in the workplace through the workshop. This is the little toolkit here, the laminated toolkit. And what do I mean by that? I teach them how to ask curious questions. I teach them the GROW model, the EARS model, reframing, the start, stop, continue model, immediately practical coaching tools that they can apply back in the workplace. Now, I'm sure you've probably come across the statistic that managers account for 70% of variance in employee engagement scores, highlighting the critical need for having great managers and great leaders. The second statistic is that coaching has proven to show a minimum of 36% improvement in employee engagement and performance. And finally, companies with high employee engagement outperform companies with low employee engagement by up to 202%. So in the Vistage workshop, we go over the why. Why is talent important, and how do we retain it, and how do we help it thrive via a coaching culture? The what, the practical coaching tools. The how, the skills of reframing and curiosity. And the now, of course, actionable takeaways that Vistage is all about. The start, stop, continue. As a result of becoming aware, everything begins with self-awareness, becoming aware of the way that you lead. Your language is super important. I always say effective coaching is not what you say, it's what they hear. It's not what you show them, it's what they see. The value is in the curious questions and the need to stop trying to solve everybody's problems and just tell people what to do so that they can be more accountable, so that they can actually take ownership over their decisions. You'll actually get your time back. That's the coolest thing for CEOs, leaders, and managers. So I'd love to tell you more about it. I'd love to jump on a call. And I also get a copy of my book, What Makes a Great Coach, where I researched over 500 of the world's leading coaches and asked them in 1 to a maximum of 3 words, what makes a great coach? Practice 7 is someone who listens. That's what one of the greatest players in the world said as well. So thank you for listening to this video. I look forward to hearing from you, because the ball is always in your court.